Hi, my name is Blake McGowan and I'm a certified professional ergonomist with Humantech. One of the questions I get asked a lot by leadership is, how do you deploy as well as maintain a successful ergonomics initiative? Well, in 2018, researchers from the University of Waterloo in Canada set out to answer that question. They did a systematic review of the literature to identify those key critical factors that facilitate as well as act as barriers to deploy a successful ergonomic initiative. So what did they find? Well, let's first start off with the barriers, the things that can derail your ergonomics initiative. And they identified three key barriers. The first one is lack of management commitment, support, as well as involvement in the process. Number two is the lack of organizational training as well as knowledge. And the third one is the lack of resources, people, time, and money. And these three things can derail any good ergonomic initiative. They also identified three key facilitators to an ergonomic initiative. The first one being conducting or having a documented and effective improvement process, such as a standard and a guidance document for your team to follow. Second is a participatory approach where you include the end user throughout the whole entire job improvement process. And lastly, there is the need for organizational knowledge and training that's supported by a subject matter expert. And in order to really make this effective, integrating this ergonomics process in an existing continuous improvement process maximizes your results. So what does this mean? What's the bottom line? The bottom line is we understand there's some key factors that can help you deploy and maintain a successful ergonomic initiative. In addition, we know that there's some barriers that can easily derail your initiative, so avoid those. So for more information on Humantech and the Bottom Line series, please feel free to visit our website at humantech.com. Thanks and have a great day.